tips and tricks of how I stay motivated. Welcome and welcome back to Brittany Wells Analytics. I thank you for tuning in, where we learn all things content creation, how to stay consistent, how to grow our influence. If you like that, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, welcome and welcome back to Brittany's Wells Analytics. I don't know who this video is for today. Let me just start off by saying I am a channel that was created to help other small creators, where everybody can relate to one another, everybody can grow, and share advice and tips and all that good stuff with one another. But I also want to share my journey of YouTube and how hard it was to stay consistent and what helped me, myself, stay more consistent on the YouTube platform. So if that interests you, please hit that like, hit that share, subscribe, become a part of the family. We love to have you over here. And please turn your notification bells on so you'll never miss an upload from Brittany Wells Analytics. So, y'all, I wanted to do a quick video for y'all, just sharing tips and tricks of how I stay motivated. So, y'all, I stay motivated here on YouTube because I'm passionate about helping others. Okay, so some people think, just get on YouTube, blow up, and that's all there is to it. So originally, I became inspired to start a YouTube channel by my daughter, Harmony. She is a phenomenal YouTuber. She has done so many videos, but she overthinks life and just, gets in way over her head. But she still does a lot of graphic design, and she also helps other smaller creators. So she was my original inspiration, but then I met others who inspired me on the monetization aspect of YouTube. You see, my daughter was just doing it for fun, strictly for fun. But I realized that there was actually a business to be made out of YouTube. YouTube can be turned into a full-time job, a business, a place to make basically multiple streams of income. Me, myself, I just recently got monetized in November, and I have not yet to receive my first payout, but I don't give up. I continue to push because there was time that I was posting for absolutely nothing and for free. And if you think about it, any business, you start off in business for free. Any business you do or create, you start by investing, and then you go from investing to, making a couple change, a little bit change. Then you go from making a little bit change to, making some hundreds and some whatever. Like, it's levels to this. You don't get overnight success here on YouTube. Not many people get overnight success, let's just say that. But me, I'm a mom. I have a life outside of YouTube. I have 5 children. I'm a wife, and I have lots of responsibilities and duties. I have housework. I have shopping to do. I have so much to do, and I do my best to try to share as much of it on my channel as I can. But listen, we get in and we start to overthink things, and we doubt ourselves, and we tell ourselves that we can't do this. But listen, and then we watch other creators, and we're like, well, I'm not as good as that creator. And we start comparing ourselves to other creators. Don't ever compare yourself to another creator. Only compare yourself to your last upload. If you are uploading faithfully on the platform, please be growing with each and every upload. Make sure you're doing your research. You're figuring out what it is exactly your audience wants to see. Who is your target audience? Who are you trying to help? Who are you trying to reach? Who are you trying to inspire? Because all those things are so important. Also, I will be doing one-on-ones, $25 for 1 hour, filled with information. Filled with information for y'all to learn how to start a channel if you haven't already, how to grow your channel, how to build your influence, how to rank and search, how to stay consistent even when it's hard. So many things I will be putting jam-packed in this 1 hour one-on-one. And I usually do it on Zoom, but we could do FaceTime, we can do Messenger, whatever works for you, whatever is convenient for you. I'm pretty flexible because I'm just starting this business. I haven't been very consistent with the business because I'm always doubting myself. It's just normal for you to think that you're dreaming too big. But my boy Steve Harvey said no dream is ever too big. You have greatness in you, just like Les Brown says. Don't give up. Keep pushing. If you're really, truly passionate about something specific and you're sharing it here on YouTube and you don't think you're getting the views you should be, get with me. Get with me and get book a one-on-one. We'll do a one-on-one, $25. I'll go over your entire channel. I'll show you what I think you need to do to fix your channel, to get more views and to get better noticed on the platform. And yeah, your girl done made mad mistakes. I done went through tons of trial and error. I done changed my banner 100 times. I done changed SEO on videos 100 times. I done SEO on videos so many times that I've learned, exactly how to do it. I have to, buddy. I invest in stuff for my channel. I invest in iPhone storage, iCloud storage. I invest in TubeBuddy. I invest in SoundCloud. I invest in, I've invested in Pixar in the past. I invested in Canva. There's so much stuff I've invested in and I'm still investing investing in to keep my channel where I'd like it to be. Like, I like my channel to look a certain way. Your channel should be consistent with thumbnails. Your channel should be consistent with your colors, your brand, your banner, what you're talking about on your channel, what you're recording about, and as well as how often you're uploading. You should be giving the people what they want to see when they want to see it. Like, you shouldn't be giving your audience a chance to go watch other creators. You should have your audience so ready for you to make an upload that they're running right to your videos when you upload your videos, because you're so consistent on the platform. So don't beat yourself up. You got this. You got this. And you're just as capable as the next man of being successful here on YouTube, or for whatever you want to do in life for that matter. I'm Brittany Wells. And y'all, get this one-on-one, because when I tell you, the prices won't be $25 forever. Once I stay consistent with promoting my brand, once I stay consistent with promoting my one-on-one, and once I do more and more research and gain more and more knowledge, the prices of these classes will go up. As my value goes up, we got to know our value, right? We got to value ourselves at what we're valued at. Right now, I'm literally valuing myself at a low price because I don't have the clientele fully yet, you know, because I haven't built up my reviews and my brand. So get it while it's in the building. Get it while it's in the works, y'all. Because listen, this type of information that I'm giving up in my one-on-one, people are charging hundreds and hundreds of dollars for, y'all. And you got people out here teaching the same information but very basic and charging hundreds of dollars. So y'all, get it while the getting's good, okay? Get it while the getting's good. And maybe you don't need the information, but maybe you know somebody else who needs it. Share with a friend or a family member or your social media. You never know who around you may be seeking out the value that's put in front of you. Maybe God put it in front of you so you could put it in front of somebody else. Keep that in mind. Let's not be selfish, y'all. Let's share the love, because that's what I'm doing. I got monetized, and before I even got monetized, I had made up my mind to go back and help smaller creators that are just starting, going through what I went through a year and a half prior to me being monetized. You know what I'm saying? I made so many mistakes. I had so many setbacks, and I'm here to cut you some corners. I'm here to get you there on the fast lane. You feel me? I don't want you to have to go through the trial and error that I went through. I want you to be able to just get it done and go straight in and reach your target audience and be able to have the amount of returning subscribers that you should have and the watch time that you should have, because as long as people are subscribing for your content, there's no problem with getting them watch out. You feel me? But it's when you got people subscribing that don't really want to subscribe, but they feel like they're being forced to subscribe, and we call that sub for sub. And we don't do sub for sub. Sub for sub is not a good idea, because let me tell you something, baby. When you get 1,300 subscribers and you only got 300 of them bad boys returning, that's a problem. That means the first 1,000 was sub for sub, okay, baby? Because listen, right now on my analytics, I have 1,300 subscribers and only 300 of them are returning. That tells you something, right? That tells you that everybody did not subscribe to your channel because they enjoyed the content. Everybody did not subscribe because they just discovered you and wanted to find you, and they watching you. You know what I'm saying? Let YouTube find your audience. You spend your time making mistakes on your videos and learning from them each video, growing with each video, getting better with each video. This is important. This is vital. You want the people subscribing to actually be watching. You want to actually be getting them watch hours like nothing. You want to be creating playlists on your channel. You want to be making people go from one video to the next video. You want to keep people on you and no choice but to be on you. They feel like they have to watch your content, okay? Because this is how we grow quickly. And then you get word of mouth. Then you get people spreading your content. Word of mouth. Oh, I was watching such and such, really inspirational, really motivational. Oh my gosh, she saved so much money at the store. Oh my God, the food looks so good. They're gonna start talking about you to other people. So keep that in mind. You want to grow organically, y'all. And I hope this video helped y'all today. New YouTubers on the platform, trying to grow, trying to gain influence, trying to gain, exposure on the platform. Let's grow together. Let's go together. Let's make it. I love you. God loves you. Remember, all these things first, and everything you do will prosper. And I will see y'all on the next video.